Every year, thousands of businesses are blindsided by one of the 7 deadly sins of forklift certification. And OSHA doesn't forgive sinners. Sin number 1, complacency. We'll train next quarter. Sin number 2, fake certifications, training that won't hold up in court. Sin number 3, expired credentials, missed refreshers, instant violations. Sin number 4, no hands-on evaluation. They watched a video, now they drive 9,000 pounds? Sin number 5, one-size-fits-all training, outdoor training inside your warehouse? Fatal. Sin number 6, missing documentation. No proof? You're non-compliant. Sin number 7, the culture of good enough, and that's how disasters happen. That's why we created CertifyMe.Net to eliminate every one of these deadly sins. 100% OSHA-aligned, practical, documented, site-specific, fast. Because true leaders don't cut corners. They protect their people, their profits, and their reputation. Avoid the sins. Lead with safety. Certify your team today with CertifyMe.Net.